So these are also from WBM. They are the strip lights. They've got 50/50 RGB color changing, and then there is a little remote control again that you can adjust. So lots of different color settings, lots of different things that you can adjust there, which is pretty cool. So it's 16 feet long, and then each you get 2 of them. So total 16 plus 16. So these, again, just like the last ones, have 20 different color patterns. So it's not as vast as the very first one that I showed y'all, but there's still a lot of color options, which is awesome. So it's going to be, again, basically where I think of these to be used is, you know, built-in bookcases, behind TV, in a tray ceiling in a bedroom, you know, in a dining room. I've had some people, I saw a house on like Zillow or Realtor a couple weeks ago. We just love to look, you know, it's always fun to look at stuff you can't afford. I saw somebody that put it on like the outside of like the little rim on their crown molding, which I'd never seen before. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's a brilliant idea. So they actually took this and just kind of put it right around, and you could hardly see it during the day. And then of course at night, everything, the whole just outside of the room was completely illuminated. So it was really cool. So I really like that idea. So again, this is one of the ones that you can cut to completely customize. So it does give you little sections that it shows you where you can cut. You can't just cut anywhere, but it does allow you to cut in certain places, which is really cool. So again, this is going to be great for, you know, cabinets. You can even do it on mirrors. I saw somebody that did it kind of behind a mirror so that it kind of illuminated at night, which is pretty cool. You know, this will be great, obviously, for weddings or different holidays. I love Halloween. That's my favorite holiday. So I can do some, you know, orange and purple decorations, which would be really fun. So these have over 50,000 hours of life because they are the LEDs. LEDs always last so much longer than regular. That's why I am a huge fan of LEDs.